What's up, y'all?
Check it.
Yeah, listen, hey.
Yeah!
You see, I'm rocking with this heavyweight up on me, right? But y'all get that weight off me, man. Listen, they have, they want more, I can give them more. They want pain, I'ma give them pain. They want love, I can give them love. They want pain, we can show them pain. See, I'm like you, and you're like them. Like cash money, but you got paid. I know what you feeling, y'all. Come on. I know how it feels, y'all. Yeah, and yo, I'm finished with these chest pains. Every breath is a stretch, man. I breathe in, I breathe out. I got a pop, you don't live that much. And if y'all know me, you know I don't discuss that much. See, you think we tight, you just see me round town. We tough. I know your folks, so all my life we live around. When the door closed, that shadow in my heart grows. I running through the dark, what you know about? Raindrops falling on your windshield. Let the teardrops fall on your steering wheel. I like these shoes, I'm trying to solve. Then I with you, you need to back the fuck off. Cause I pull over on the side of the road. Feel my life is about to explode, yeah. See my trees fell all over the road. But I'm okay, baby, what you say don't raise me now. Y'all still awake out there or what, man? I don't know. Yeah, listen, they want more, I'ma give them more. They want pain, I can give them pain. They want love, I can give them love. They want pain, we can show them pain. See, I'm like you, and you're like them. Like cash money, but you got paid. I know what you feeling, y'all. I know how it feels, y'all. What's up,
Hey yo, we marching, like tetrahedron, walking and breathing. Got my fucking thoughts on the weekend. I let the worries straight escape my mind. Cause anxious thoughts in the night, well I got no time. From noon to noon, we let the speakers boom. In the pain room, wilderness crew. That makes us soon, but let the neighbors know. Cause if they don't know, when that shit blows, they gon' shit they pants so Joe. And ain't nobody laughing. Add up the math, you'll be gasping for aspirin. They're making you cap spin. Make your head straight rotate. It's like a record from my DJ straight. There's no debate. My teammate, see no place. We can't exist in space. We get great with the flavor of taste and make haste. Past any obstacle, whether logical or physical or obstacle, it don't stop, y'all.
They want pain, I can give them pain. They want love, I'ma give them love. They want pain, we can show them pain. See, I'm like you, and you're like them. Like cash money, but you got paid them. I know what you feeling, y'all. I know how it feels, y'all. I've had a change of heart, and my heart really hurts. It's as if I've had a love life confused with my purpose. Time slipping, no friction, drifting, I'm twisting, I'm tripping, I'm forgetting where the earth is. People might change for the wonder in my name. When he's doing what he's saying, that was just not my focus. Breathing heavy, sweet, waiting for land. And Doc told me why, told me how the back is abandoned. At the same time, balance with my rapping ability. So the Padres forever on the stage and we standing. And no, I never will forget about the night when the phone rings and the whole thing just breaks down. So then it's back to the days I'm familiar with. Days go by without me getting shit. So we continue to explore the fact that I was born for this music and it's not about the cash. So it's good and cliche for years gone past. Now there's nothing left to do except expose my ass. This is music at the helm, overwhelmed by hype. Stay basic, really get the sound unique and precise. It's me to make it. Times can't help, I'm feeling naked. This is for your optimization. I'ma give them more. They want pain, I'ma give them pain. They want love, I'ma give them love. They want pain, we can show them pain. See, I'm like you, and you're like them. Life costs money, but you got paid them. I know what you feeling, y'all. I know how it feels, y'all. See, I'm like you, and you're like them. Life costs money, but you got paid them. I know what you feeling, y'all. I know how it feels, y'all.